Welcome back to the channel, OJ Marketing. And in today's video, I'm going to be diving right into a very cool strategy to earn money right here with this platform called vocal.media in a conjunction with a very cool platform right now called ChatGPT. So if you just stick onto the video and watch to the end, you can learn this cool strategy, replicate that, and make money online. Now, jumping right ahead into the video of today. If you're not familiar with the platform vocal.media, you'll find out that vocal.media is an amazing platform that connects writers and readers together. It's a platform that is actually similar to the medium.com, but this platform is kind of different right now. So if you come onto the vocal.media platform, you can see that a lot of people come onto the platform to write some cool and amazing articles or stories right here, and you can see, as you can see on the home page, there are some top stories you can actually go on to checking out. You can find new hand-picked stories you love, and their stories are actually daily updated. So if you keep on scrolling through, you can see much more details about the platform. Another cool thing about this is that you can actually go on to earning money with this platform as a writer. So as far as people are actually coming onto the platform to go on to writing content, and people are reading their content, they are going to be earning some cool cash right now based on the amount of views they are actually getting to such content. And I'm going to show you how much they are actually going to be earning per amount of views they do get right now later on in this video. But here's another way you can actually earn money with this platform. As you can see right now, you can earn money with challenges right here. As you can see, you can enter team storytelling contest to put your creativity to the test. So here are actually some challenges that are available right now. This is a snack time sonata, of which if you do click on this, you're going to see much more details about this challenge. Now the grand prize to this challenge is about $500 grand prize, and the challenge is actually having a 4 days left for people to go on to entering and submitting their articles or their stories for this particular challenge. Now what this challenge actually entails is that the challenge will actually be having a specific theme, and you're going to write an article or a story tailored to that specific theme right now, and the best story is actually going to go on to winning the grand prize. And some cases, guys, they actually go on to giving prizes to the first, second, and third best stories. So you can actually go on to standing a chance to earn some cool cash from this grand prize. You can also take note, guys, that this is another challenge that pays about $500 grand prize and has 11 days left. Now if you take a look at this challenge right here of $200 grand prize, which has actually been finished, and some people have actually won money from this particular challenge, you can click on that to see much more details. Scrolling through, guys, you can actually see some other resources of this particular platform and how cool this platform actually is. So if you want to just simply come onto the platform to read articles, you can just simply come onto the platform, go onto reading articles right there, and you can read that in a very cool manner. Now you could go on to signing up to the platform for absolutely free. A sign up option will be shown in this section, and you want to just simply check on that. Once you sign up right there, you can actually go on to maybe writing articles to make money online, and you can see there are some sections for top story, latest stories. This section is for communities right now, of which you can actually see a lot of different community, the art community, beats community, blush, clit, and a lot more different kinds of communities you could easily join right now. As you can see, some communities are actually having lots and lots of cool stories and a lot of creators right now. You could even go as far as checking out the challenges available on this particular platform. So this is a section for challenges where you can see the challenges available and how you can actually go on to checking out those challenges and competing for challenges. Now if you go on to checking out this Vocal Plus section, that's where you're actually going to see the earning capabilities of this particular platform. So clicking on the Vocal Plus section right now, you can see that you could go on to registering to become a Vocal Plus member. Now if you sign up for free, or if you sign up normally for the particular platform, you're just going to be a vocal creator right now on the platform. But if you want to just simply sign up for a Vocal Plus member, you can upgrade your account by paying a sum of $49 per year. And guys, you can see that these are actually some of the features for benefits of the Vocal Plus, of being a Vocal Plus member. You get a Vocal Plus member badge. You could earn up to $6 per 1,000 reads to your article or your stories. You can actually get about 2.9% transaction fees on tips, about $20 payout minimum, Vocal Plus exclusive challenges, and early access to new features. Now scrolling down to the bottom section, here's actually the comparison between the normal vocal creator and the Vocal Plus creator right now. For the normal vocal creator, you're going to be earning $3.8 per 1,000 views, or per 1,000 reads to your article, while the Vocal Plus you're going to be earning about $6 per 1,000 reads. You can see the platform processing fees on tips right now for both Vocal and Vocal Plus. For the minimum withdrawal balance, you can check that. You can check out the Vocal badge bridge and a lot more other cool features of each and every one of these particular account types. Now you can check out more details on how cool that actually is. Now to actually go on to creating articles and making money online, you could just simply click on create story, of which you're going to be brought to this page, and you want to just simply write a story right now. The story could actually or must actually have a title, a subtitle, plus a featured image, a video, or a content. And for that right now, that's where you can actually go into leveraging ChatGPT. So you can actually go on to ask ChatGPT to write an article right here. So I'm just going to speak a random niche and ask ChatGPT to write an article on that. So I'm asking ChatGPT to write an article on ancient Rome, and ChatGPT is actually going to go on to writing a very cool article right now. You can see the title for the article, which says Exploring the Legacy of Ancient Rome, the Empire right now. And if I do go on to copying this title, I'm just going to get back to Vocal Media, come on to this section, paste in the article title right now. And if I do paste in that right there, I'm just going to go on to cutting out this section and utilize that as a subtitle right now. Now once that has actually been inserted right there, I'm going to head back to ChatGPT and utilize this other body text for the body text right now. So if I copy all this content, head back to this particular platform, I'm going to paste in that in this section. Once you do paste that right now, you can see the total word count for this. You actually need to make sure that this actually gets to 600 words for that to actually be quite better. Now you could just simply go on to adding images right now. You could upload an image from your device, you could embed a video, and you can just simply utilize an unsplash image. Now I can actually just simply go on to searching for ancient Rome. So if I do go on to typing in ancient Rome right now and click on enter, it's just simply going to search for some videos or for some images, which I can just simply select one of the image and utilize that right now. Here is a very cool image that can easily be utilized. Now you can just simply go on to making money right here by saving these changes and submitting this article for review right now. As you can see, you can just simply submit the article for review. Now if you intend on making more money with these guys, you can just simply go on to creating an article that is actually tailored to a specific niche that you could easily promote a product. Now you can promote a product right now in between that particular article. Maybe you're actually writing an article on weight loss. You can just simply go on to promoting a product about weight loss from an affiliate marketing platform, such that guys, once you actually do get conversions through this article to that particular product, you're going to be making some cool affiliate commissions right there, and you're also going to be earning on Vocal Media right now. So you could just simply submit the article for review. You could select a community which this article actually fits into. Maybe I can actually just go on to selecting the art community. You can just simply go on to selecting a tag right now that can actually help this. If I do go on to selecting something like history, I can just simply go on to clicking on submit for review, and this article will be submitted for review. You can see it says, thanks for your submission. Our team of moderators will review your work shortly. Once approved, it will be published on Vocal Media. And once you're done, you can actually go on to seeing that your article is awaiting review, and you can just simply go on to checking out other stories on the platform right now. So that's absolutely amazing. And here guys, you can actually also earn money on the platform with bonuses right now. And here are actually some milestones you can reach to earn some bonuses. You can get about $5 bonus for your 5th published piece on the platform, $10 bonus for your 10th published piece, $50 bonus for your 50th, and you can get $10 bonus for creating a successful Facebook group, which is actually might be a one-time deal, and you can actually keep on scrolling through to see much more other profit right now that has been discovered that you can easily get right now as a bonus from Vocal Media. So why not just simply try out the platform and this exact same strategy to go on to earning some cool cash online. And guys, if you're looking for other ways to make money online, you can actually check out my #1 recommendation in the description of this video to gain access to an amazing way to earn a lot of money online. You could also go to checking out the first link in the description of the video for that. Now you could check out my channel OJ Marketing, because I regularly create videos on how to make money online. If you like the content, go to my channel. There are a lot of videos to help you out. You could also hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell on all so as to always get alerted whenever I release some cool videos to help boost your income online. Thank you all for watching and goodbye.